Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you the important thing you need to turn on right now to Anki Unused app in Google Play Store to free up more space in your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on general. Then you have to simply scroll down right here. This particular button here, you have to turn it on. It's as simple as that. Automatically Anki apps you use regularly will be Anki when your storage runs very low. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.